Hello and welcome to McLaren. In this video, we will provide a tutorial for connections and functions of McLaren's cold planer attachment for your John Deere machine. Once you unbox your cold planer, you will see that everything is included and ready to use. On this particular attachment, no assembly is required. Setup. To remove the cold planer from the pallet, hook up the cold planer directly to your machine via quick attach. Once the planer is attached, make sure to connect the case drain line first, then connect the male and female couplers, and finally connect the attachment wire harness to your machine. Locate the yellow tank on the left side of the planer and fill up with water. Notice there's a sight glass on the side of the tank. This must be filled completely. Next, functions. McLaren's cold planer has the following functions: depth adjustment, angle tilt, side shift, water sprayer. Now we can move forward and demonstrate each function for your John Deere machine. Let's begin. The depth adjusters controls how deep the drum goes into the asphalt. To activate this function, do the following. On the right joystick, engage the toggle switch. This would be auxiliary 1. This will allow the drum to spin. Locate auxiliary 2. The plus button will raise the right depth adjuster. The minus button will lower the right depth adjuster. On the left joystick, locate your toggle switch. Push up to raise your left depth adjuster, and push down to lower the left depth adjuster. Next are the following functions. Locate auxiliary 4 and press the plus button. This will switch your functions. Once the plus button is pressed, locate auxiliary 2 on the right joystick. This will control the side shift right, and the minus button directly beneath it will control the side shift left. Angle tilt provides you the opportunity to mill in any angle or slope. On your left joystick, push the toggle auxiliary 3. This will control your tilt right, and toggle switch down will control your tilt left. Your water pump will be activated by engaging the minus button on the auxiliary 4 on your right joystick. Water is an important part of this attachment. It helps to maintain and control dust while in use. This will conclude your basic functions for the McLaren cold planer. Go McLaren, go extreme.